Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Biology, Unit 2, Chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is Introduction to Biology. And this is the textbook that we have to follow. So, Introduction to Biology. This is the name of your chapter. And before starting chapter, first of all, there is a definition of science. That what is science? Science is basically the study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principles of nature. So, in science, biology is a branch. And what is biology? Now, biology is basically derived from two words. Bio mean life and logos mean thought or reasoning. So basically biology is the scientific study of the life. Okay, and in biology and in this chapter the major concepts are introduction to biology and levels of organization. First of all, discussing about introduction to biology, that is the first major concept of this chapter. First of all, divisions and branches of biology. Secondly, relationship of biology to other sciences. And third is Quran and biology. That how Quran has discussed the life of different living organisms. First of all, divisions and branches of biology. In biology, there are three major divisions of biology in which we study about the different aspects of living organisms. So first of all, zoology. Zoology is the division of biology that deals with the study of animals. Second is botany. Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Third is microbiology. Microbiology is the division of biology that deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria and etc. Now these are further branches of biology: morphology, anatomy, histology, cell biology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, sociology, parasitology, biotechnology, pharmacology, and many more. Next is relationship of biology to other sciences. In relationship of biology to other sciences, basically these are interdisciplinary sciences, and here we have these five major sciences. First of all, biophysics. Biophysics basically it deals with the study of principles of physics which are applicable on biological phenomena. Second, biochemistry. It deals with the study of chemistry of different compounds and processes that are occurring in living organisms. Next is biomathematics, that is also called as biometry. It deals with the study of biological processes using mathematical techniques and tools. Next is biogeography. It deals with the study of the occurrence and distribution of different species of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world. Next is bioeconomics. In bioeconomics, it deals with the study of organisms from economical point of view. Next are the major careers in biology. In biology, there are different careers. First of all is medicine and surgery. Second is agriculture. Third, horticulture. Next, forestry. Then biotechnology. These are the careers in biology that a student can choose. And second major conceptual section of this chapter is levels of organization. These are the levels of organization that starts from atomic level, means from atom, and after atomic level, molecular level, as atoms combine to form molecules. Next, from molecules, organelles are formed. From organelles, tissues are formed. From tissues, organ levels are formed. From organ level, organ system level are formed. Then from different organ system levels, a complete individual is formed. Then different individuals are there. Then populations are formed, and from population a community is formed, and from community level a biosphere is formed. So this is the complete level of organization. Next is cellular organization. Cellular organization is basically the organization that a cell follows. For different organism it is different. So different organisms are divided into major groups that are prokaryotes, protista, fungi, plants and animals, and all organisms are made up of the cells. And Organisms may be unicellular organization followers, may be colonial organization, and may be multicellular organization. These three are organizations that are followed by different organisms. Now this is the colonial organization that is followed by Volvox type organisms. And this is all about our today's lecture.